Welcome back, guys. This is the Tightwaddiy, and if you've been following the channel, you've noticed that I've had some ongoing water issues at my home. So one of the things that I've done is to let my gutters drain directly into a storm drain. So I use these sleeves, and then I buried 4-inch corrugated pipe solid under the ground to work as the transport for the water down to the storm drain. Here's another option if you just need to run it farther away from your house, which I highly recommend, is you can put one of those flexible cuffs right here at the beginning and then tie it into a 4-inch pipe that can go as long as you want to. It's a great idea to move water away from your foundation and get it on a slope that's running away from your home. So sometimes that takes about 6 feet. But this one, I don't know if an animal got to it or if it just got too hot, but it busted. So this is just a sleeve that fits over your gutter and then goes down into the corrugated drain pipe. So I'm going to be replacing it today. I have this one I purchased at Home Depot. It adapts for the smaller gutters, and then this piece comes off and it adapts for the size that I have. But this is a little bit too long, so I'm going to have to cut my corrugated pipe a little bit or cut this off to make it work. The first thing I'm going to do is get it fit on here. And you can put a screw through these to hold them in place. But since this one is just turning a corner and going right here, it shouldn't be a problem. So I guess now I've got to dig up some of that corrugated drain pipe because I really don't want to cut this because it's not the right size in order to get that down into there. Since I'm only digging a little bit today, I'm just going to use this garden trowel to get the dirt out from around this, unless it's crazy hard packed. But I should be able to loosen it up here fairly easily. All right, so I should be able to cut it right here, and I'm going to get my reciprocating saw, my Sawzall, in here to cut that, because that's the easiest way to cut through this stuff really fast. So with that cut off, I'm going to try not to let any more dirt get down in there. I should be able to flex this pipe. Stick down in there. With that done, I can just push the dirt back in to fill in around it. I'm gonna have to get some dirt from behind the house because I cut out some of that big pipe and don't have enough dirt to fill it all back in. But we are done. Super easy project. Keeps water from eroding your yard and allows you to direct water where you want it to go. If you have any questions, put them in the comment section below and I'll make sure I respond. And I hope you guys have a great day.